what happens when reserves drop? It means that foreigners have been selling U.S. government securities. They're abandoning the dollar. So if foreigners are abandoning the dollar to the tune of close to $1 trillion over 8 or 9 months, the question to me became, well, rates haven't backed up. The 10-year bond is probably a little bit lower in yield right now than it was 8 or 9 months ago. And if foreigners are throwing and pitching their U.S. dollar reserves, who's buying them? And the answer as to who's buying the reserves, it's the U.S. Treasury itself, and specifically it's the Exchange Stabilization Fund within the U.S. Treasury. And people should remember or be aware the U.S. Treasury has a light side and a dark side. The light side reports the debt that we get reported in the papers on a daily basis, and that the media reports to us, the $19 trillion number. The dark side of the U.S. Treasury is composed of the ESF, which is the Exchange Stabilization Fund. It was created in 1934. Its sole purpose when it was created was to protect the U.S. dollar hegemon and to protect the dollar for the settlement of global trade accounts. Well, what's happening is all the wealth that is accrued in this Exchange Stabilization Fund, which was seeded, by the way, with $3 billion in 1934 dollars, owing from the confiscation of gold from Americans, which was 6 months later revalued, creating the $3 billion windfall profit. That's the money, the seed money for the Exchange Stabilization Fund. That money has been growing and compounding since 1934, and the net worth of the ESF today, I would project it to be worth in the tens of trillions of dollars. But you see, that money's all off book. The ESF does not publish financials, does not publish an annual statement. It's accountable to nobody, and it operates above all laws.